What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. This is your boy B Cabral. We got your boy Harold here today with a clean ass Civic, and always your boy Juanito. Today we're just gonna be, a little vlog. We gotta clean the fucking whips. You know how it is. We got a massive snowstorm, so we gotta get all the salt out and everything. We're gonna clean those whips good, so yeah, let's get into it.
Another STI. What I'm talking about.
Harold's mascot. Oh shit, just got tagged. Mean Squirtle. Mean Squirtle. That's 5. Squirtle baby. Squirtle baby.
To the left there, guys, dude.
No way. Mean mascots in the back as well. This is the mean daily, no, Harold?
Sir. I'm a fucking T-Rex, Squirtle.
It's clean. I do miss this interior. I miss the dash layout, the screen pointing to you.
Oh yeah, bro.
We got that I doing to install soon.
Can't
Make sure
wait.
to check it out.
Can't wait.
It's gonna be fire. Clean. Alright guys, we just got back. The STI is nice and clean. We usually wash it here with the foam can and stuff, but obviously it's because it's cold out. I didn't want any pipes freezing in the house or anything like that. So, ran to the car wash, got her done, cleaned up the inside a little bit. She's looking good in the garage, sitting nice. So, hopefully you catch us in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Subi Fam out.